We chose Google Workspace to meet our collaboration needs and improve our integration workflow. Our main goals were to facilitate easy collaboration and strengthen connections with our customers. By combining Google Workspace solutions with Swit integrations, we centralized crucial information, replicated our customers' environment, and established a collaborative ecosystem linking all other business applications. In terms of growth strategy, we concentrated on launching Swit integration apps for Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. This not only empowered the Swit team, but also appealed to our target customers, such as SMBs and enterprises looking for digital transformation. This approach aligns well with the needs of customers seeking a unified platform for task, communication, and document sharing. Google Workspace helped us save over 30% on application cost by covering most of our scaling and growth needs. Partnering with the Google Workspace team provides valuable insight into Swit's focus and helps prioritize new features on our product roadmap. Combining Google Smart Chips and Duet AI with Swit has immense potential to innovate how our customers work. Currently, we're exploring optimal ways to create synergies between Swit AI and Duet AI. Partnering closely with Google enabled us to enhance productivity, break down information silos, and reduce tooling cost, a shared goal between Swit and Google.